Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams. On this channel, we empower you with the tools, strategies, and knowledge to master crypto trading and reach financial independence. Today's topic is one of the most essential concepts in technical analysis: moving averages. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, understanding moving averages can transform how you predict crypto price trends and make decisions. Stay with me as we break it down step by step. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Let's dive in. Part 1. What are moving averages and why are they important? Before we jump into strategies, let's clarify what moving averages are. A moving average is a calculation that smooths out price data by creating a constantly updated average price over a set period. The result: it helps eliminate the noise in price movements and reveals the underlying trend. There are two primary types of moving averages you need to know. 1. Simple moving average SMA, a straightforward average of closing prices over a specific time frame. 2. Exponential moving average EMA. This is more advanced because it gives greater weight to recent prices, making it more responsive to recent market activity. Why are they important? Moving averages help identify trends, potential reversals, and dynamic support, resistance levels, all crucial for timing your trades effectively. Part 2. How to use moving averages to predict trends. Here are actionable ways to use moving averages in your trading strategy. 1. Identifying the trend. When the price is above the moving average, it signals an uptrend. When the price is below the moving average, it indicates a downtrend. 2. Crossover strategies. Golden cross. When the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, it suggests a bullish trend. Death cross. When the 50-day moving average crosses below the 200-day moving average, it signals a bearish trend. 3. Support and resistance. Moving averages act as dynamic support and resistance levels. For instance, if the price pulls back to a moving average and bounces, it may confirm strong support. If the price fails to break through a moving average, it might signal resistance. Part 3. Tools you need to analyze moving averages. Analyzing moving averages doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tools, you can simplify your analysis and make confident decisions. TradingView, a go-to platform for advanced charting and customizing moving average indicators. Glassnode offers on-chain analytics that complement moving average analysis by showing network activity and demand. 3. Automate your strategies and integrate moving averages with trading bots to execute trades even while you sleep. CoinStats, track your crypto portfolio performance in real time while integrating moving averages into your strategy. Part 4. A practical moving average strategy for crypto. Here's a step-by-step guide to using moving averages in your trading. 1. Set up your chart. Open TradingView and add to moving averages a short-term 50-day SMA and a long-term 200-day SMA. 2. Look for crossover signals. Monitor the golden cross and death cross as potential buy and sell signals. 3. Use additional indicators for confirmation. Combine moving averages with the RS, a relative strength index, or MACD, moving average convergence divergence, to confirm trends. 4. Automate your strategy. Connect your exchange to 3 and automate your trading strategy, saving you time and effort. Part 5. Managing taxes and gains. Remember, every trade you make affects your taxes. Don't let tax season catch you off guard. These tools can simplify the process. TokenTax automatically calculates your crypto tax liabilities. Koinly integrates with your exchanges and wallets to help you track and report crypto taxes with ease. Ledger, a comprehensive platform for tax filing, supporting complex DeFi and NFT transactions. Moving averages are more than just lines on a chart. They are a roadmap to understanding crypto price trends. With tools like TradingView, Glassnode, and 3 you can take control of your trading strategy and make smarter decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a strategy-packed video. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Thanks for watching.